Stanley. Bowling. He loves it. They're having a tournament. He loves it. Now, Blanche. Tell you what, Blanche. Now, Blanche. Aren't you being a little intense about it? What, Blanche? It's not that bad at all. New Orleans is like any other city. New Orleans. Thanks. Why, Blanche? You know that's not true. You never did give me a chance to say much, honey. So I just got in the habit of being quiet. That's not true, Blanche. Honey, no, I thought you might have resigned. You look just fine. Now, Blanche. Not now. You seem a bit nervous and overwrought. You get along just fine. Overwrought or something. If you try not to, compare him with the men we went out with at home. Compare him to the other men we went out with. Yes, a different species. Yes, a different species. Oh. You can't describe someone you're in love with. He's on the road a good deal. I can hardly stand it when he's away for a night. When he's away for a week. When he's away for a week, I go nearly wild. And when he comes back, I cry. And when he comes back, cry in his lap. I cry in his lap like a baby. Like a baby. What, Blanche? The best I could do was make my own living, Blanche. Stop this hysterical outburst and tell me what's happening. About what? Please. Belle Reve? Lost? Is it? Blanche.